Why the speed of light makes the universe a slow. The speed of light is often portrayed as this wondrous, elegant constant of nature, the fastest anything can travel. But from a functional, experiential, and computational standpoint, it's not fast at all. In fact, it's pathetically slow in the context of what intelligent life would need to thrive, understand itself, and explore the cosmos. Let's explore why this single physical constant creates a bottleneck that renders the universe inefficient, unscalable, and, in many ways, hostile to meaningful existence. It makes real-time understanding of reality impossible. Imagine trying to fully simulate even a single biological cell with all its molecules, proteins, water, and ions interacting in real time. To do this faithfully, you'd need to track every atom's position and velocity, calculate electromagnetic forces, simulate quantum effects, ensure causality by propagating information at or below the speed of light. The result: you can't simulate reality at the speed it happens. You'd need a computer the size of a planet, running for centuries, to simulate seconds of a real cell. Why? Because data can't travel faster than light. Your processor, no matter how fast, still has to wait for bits to move from point A to B. Conclusion: the laws of physics prevent us from fully understanding the smallest unit of life in its natural rhythm. That's a design failure. It destroys the dream of interstellar civilization. Let's say we somehow survive our self-made mess on Earth and want to explore the stars. Too bad, nearest star system Proxima Centauri equals 4.24 light-years away. Even at light speed, which is currently impossible, that's a minimum 8.5-year round-trip message time. Realistically, with our tech, it'd take tens of thousands of years to get there. This means colonizing planets? Not in a single lifetime. Communicating with distant outposts? Practically useless, coordinated galactic society. Unrealistic. We live in a prison of distance where light, the fastest thing, is still too damn slow for meaningful connection beyond a tiny cosmic bubble. Conclusion: the universe invites us to explore, but locks the doors. It limits the speed of thought. Even your brain suffers from light speed limits. Neurons send signals at speeds far slower than light, just approximately 100 meters per second. But even in hypothetical future AI or brain-computer interfaces, light speed is still a cap. If you built a planetary scale brain, a giant AI spread across the globe, communication delays from one side to the other would be measured in tenths of a second. That's eternity in processing terms. You could never have a unified, conscious self stretched across long distances. Your thoughts would fragment. Conclusion: you can't scale intelligence beyond a certain point, not because we lack technology, but because the universe is built on lag. It robs the universe of synchrony and wholeness. In your day-to-day life, you assume that everything is happening now. But due to the finite speed of light, you're never seeing anything in real time. Not the stars, not the moon, not even your own reflection at microscopic scales. There is no universal now. Different observers in different parts of space disagree on what just happened. This destroys the idea of a shared present. Reality is smeared out, causality fractured by distance. Conclusion: even time itself is fragmented. The universe is not a unified experience. It's a mess of isolated snapshots pretending to be a whole. It's a built-in barrier to transcendence. All of humanity's higher goals, from understanding the mind to simulating nature to building utopian societies or exploring the stars, are throttled at the root by this one unchangeable law. No matter how far we evolve, we can't hack the speed of light. We can't outpace the latency baked into spacetime. We're stuck building in a sandbox where all progress is bottlenecked. It's as if the universe was coded to fail at scale. Final thought: this isn't just inconvenient, it's cosmic incompetence. If you were designing a universe for intelligent life to thrive, to grow, to explore, to understand, you wouldn't cap communication at 300,000 kilometers per second. That's like building a city with only dirt roads and no bridges, then wondering why no one arrives on time. The slow speed of light isn't just a physical limit. It's a cosmic design flaw, a silent but absolute veto on transcendence, cooperation, and comprehension. And that's why, at the deepest, most fundamental level, this place feels slow. I find it almost impossible to imagine that we'll ever meet alien civilizations. When you consider how long it takes to travel between planets and how slow evolution is in producing intelligent life, the odds are vanishingly small. Most civilizations, I suspect, eventually run out of resources and die off long before they have the chance to reach others. Even if advanced travel were possible, moving at or near the speed of light might not be achievable at all. That means it would take thousands of years to reach the nearest Earth-like planet, by which time our civilization would likely have collapsed or gone extinct. In that sense, we may simply be doomed to isolation. For context, modern humans have only existed for about 200,000 years. Civilization as we know it is just around 6,000 years old, and true industrialization only began in the 1800s. At our current rate of consumption, we could deplete Earth's essential resources by around the year 2200. That gives us an incredibly small window, perhaps only about 1,000 years, during which we could even make contact. The odds that two intelligent civilizations evolve at roughly the same time and within communication range are so tiny that it's hardly worth counting on. Still, maybe artificial intelligence will one day find a way to carry us beyond this planet and into deep space, but who really knows? Most of the universe is forever out of reach, not because we're weak, but because of the way space-time expands. We can see out to a radius of 46.5 billion light-years. That's the observable universe. But the part we can ever actually reach, even with light-speed travel, is only about 16 billion light-years. This is the cosmic event horizon. Anything beyond it is already receding faster than light, carried away by the expansion of space. So we can observe 2 trillion galaxies, but only 20,000 to 30,000 of them fall inside the region we could ever influence. That's 0.001% of everything that exists within view. As time passes, this horizon shrinks in a relative sense. In the far future, all galaxies except our own will fade beyond reach, then beyond sight. We imagine the universe as something we could one day explore. But the truth is that almost all of it, billions of galaxies and countless worlds, is already gone, permanently sealed off behind an expanding wall of space-time we can never cross. We live in a universe of unimaginable scale, but we are confined to a tiny island inside it. Not by technology, not by biology, but by physics itself.